Say what? Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Hino with Missing Those Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to show you what kind of sumo competition we're having with hybrid classes right now. So if you haven't noticed, or I haven't told you guys yet, we're half and half. Right now in school, we're doing half virtual, and then I'm getting some students that are coming to me after lunch for an hour and a half. And so I thought, hey, if I'm going to have these kids in person, we're going to do robotics. And the most fun thing that all of my classes every year has told me is, man, Mr. We love sumo bot battling. So I thought, hey, we can't come and meet in person and not do sumo battling. So today I'm going to show you the scaled down sumo bot battling that we're doing. Obviously, we don't have time to do all of the prep that we normally would in a regular school year. So they have just regular educator bots, but they're souping it up, and we're having the most fun that we can, with these robots. So come along with me. Okay, so you'll see these robots battling in a second, but let me just go ahead and show you some of the sumo bots that were built the other day. So this one I really like because they're waiting for the ultrasonic sensor to see the other robot. Ooh, I just knocked a piece off. And then once it does, this actually comes down and becomes kind of like a scooper to push the other robot off. And that's why I like that design, because you can't have this thing be in front of the ultrasonic sensor or it'll never see the other robot. So he has it programmed so after it sees the other robot, then it comes down and it can be a pusher off the table. I really like this one too. Instead of a front scoop that's together, he has a divided scooper here. So we can still see that ultrasonic sensor. I know that the ultrasonic sensor, the signal goes out sideways. So he also, like the other robot, has this coming down. But I like the wide scoop here because it might be able to now push more of the other robot off the table. But these guys are really doing a great job with just this educator bot. I like the ingenuity, and they're using this medium motor to have it come down. So you'll see these robots battle in a moment. Okay, this particular robot is not using the medium motor, but instead just using some independent parts where this will just be used as a scoop, but it's not motorized, it just stays down. And then this person definitely thought about the physics and weighing their robot down so it's a lot heavier than another robot possibly. So this one's actually doing pretty well. It's probably because of the size. It's maybe heavier than the other robots, but I definitely like this front scoop. I have seen this front scoop pushing some of the other robots around, so I really like this robot too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to elevate the sumo table is I just took the red cups here and I just cut them so that way I'm gonna have little platforms for the board to stand on. So there's gonna be my sumo table platforms that will just raise it enough, but I don't want the robots to get damaged when they come off the board. So there you go, everybody. The table sits perfectly on those 4 cups. And because of surface area, they support it really well, and there's no, sagging or drooping. They hold it pretty well. And so it's just going to elevate the table, because before we were having issues trying to figure out whose robot touched first. We still might have an issue, but at least it's off the ground and not going to damage the robot if it falls off. We're just going to have to make sure we're ready to catch it. But this is going to make it a little bit more interesting and make it more of a sumo table. And we can hopefully be able to see which robot touched first from this elevation. guys, so there you have it. I just love Sumo Bot battling because there's so much involved. There's the planning, there's the preparing, there's the testing, and if something doesn't work, there's the going back to the drawing board to see what we can fix to get everything to be better than what it was before. So the neat thing about these Sumo Bots is, again, they're just regular educator bots, and these kids are so amazing. They're doing what they can with just these Sumo Bots. They're figuring out leverage, they're figuring out physics to make the robot better. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's really neat to be able to see kids just taking a regular bot and still being able to have fun and competing. And I just love to just watch Sumo Bots battle each other. So it was a fun day today to see them battle. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you're still staying safe, having fun. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.